guys, how are you all? Today I'm explaining the lesson getting to know plants. So basically in this lesson what you'll get to know is the types of systems in a plant, the root system, the shoot system and many more. So first now let's start the beginning. First, we are going to learn about root systems. There are two main types of root system, taproot and fibrous root. So, how many types are there? You may have known or not known. If you have not known, come on, let me show you. This is known as the taproot system. So, you can see right here, this is the taproot system right here, and this is the fibrous root. So now let's see what these systems performs. In a taproot, a single root called a primary root comes out from the seed after germination. Later, small roots called lateral roots branch out from this primary root. Mango, neem, pine, shisham, pea, carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot are examples of plants with taproot. So basically, in a taproot system, only a single root will come out. Only a single root, it's called as the primary root. And from the primary root, later lateral roots will come out. So examples are mango, neem, pine, shisham, pea, carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. Okay, so I have made sure that you will have learned the taproot. Next we are going to learn about fibrous root. Fibrous roots that grow from the base of the stem have a bushy appearance. These roots are thin and almost equal in size. Grass, maize, wheat, onion, sugarcane and rice are examples of plants with fibrous roots. So what will happen here in the fibrous root? Thin roots they'll grow from the base of the stem and they are almost equal in size and have a bushy appearance. Some examples of fibrous root are grass, maize, wheat, onion, sugarcane and rice. Next we learn about the functions of the root. Functions means what are the advantages of roots? What are some various functions that roots perform? Some functions of roots are given below. Anchoring the plant. Roots help to anchor the plant firmly into the ground. Absorption of water and nutrients from the soil. Roots help plants to absorb water, nutrients from the soil, which are essential for their survival. Preventing soil erosion. Roots help to bind the soil particles together, thereby preventing them from being carried away by water or wind. Sometimes roots are modified to perform various other functions such as reproduction and nutrition. So now first, roots help to anchor the plant. So what do you mean by anchoring the plant? Means now we have this tree right here. Roots, what they'll do? So now roots they help any plant to sit in a tight and a straight position. That is meant by anchoring the plant. Next, absorption of water and nutrients from the soil. Roots also help plants to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Now we water our plants. First they are absorbed by root and it helps them and it helps the roots help the plant to absorb water. Next, roots also help to prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion, like now roots help the soil to sit together okay guys, I think you have understood this. Next we'll learn about root modification. Roots of some plants are modified to perform additional functions. Let us study some of these modifications and their functions. Okay, so now we are learning about root modification. For storage of food, the roots of some plants such as radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato and beetroot become fleshy. For multiplication, roots of plants such as dahlia and asparagus can develop into new plants. Now for storage of food, what the roots will do, roots, some plants roots will be like radish, carrot, you take for example. They'll become what? They'll become a little bit of fleshy. Okay, next for multiplication, I think you all have seen Dahlia or asparagus plant. If you haven't seen them, I am going to upload the videos, the Dahlia plant and asparagus plant, and also examples of taproot and fibrous root. I am going to upload everything. So if you cut the roots of the plant and place it in the soil, they can develop in the new plants itself. Next, for nutrition, plants such as dodder have specialized roots called parasitic roots arising from their stem, which help them to absorb water and nutrients from the host. So now parasitic roots, you can see the dodder plant right here. So what are parasitic roots means? They help to absorb water and nutrients from the host. They'll arise from the stem. These are called parasitic roots. Example, dodder plant. So next, for climbing, some plants have climbing roots that help the plant to climb up as a support, such as a wall, a rock, and a tree. Examples are money plant, black pepper, and betel. Look, you can see right here, this is the plant. So for climbing, how roots help the plant means they have the climbing roots, a little bit of plants. They that help the plant to what? To climb up as a support to a wall, a rock, or tree. Examples for black pepper, betel, money plant. Next, for extra support, roots of plants such as bamboo, sugarcane, and banyan give out extra roots from their branches. These